This is a really cheap router I got for like for like $4. It's not really stable as a router, but today I'm going to set it up as an access point without going through the WAN port, just the LAN and the Wi-Fi I'll be using. The Wi-Fi port is really nice because it's a 300N standard, meaning that it has two channels of 150 megabits. Realistically, it's going to work at around 75 megabits per device and maximum 100 because that's all it can get through a 100 megabit LAN port, but it will be a lot better than what I have now. With the old Huawei DSL router, it works at around 25 megabits per second, and the other D-Link router I've been using, it works around 40 megs, not even close to 70. So let me just reset it completely, holding the button until the lights flash. Yes, I think it's enough. I have no internet on the computer right now. I'm just going to connect the router through a LAN port like that. It recognizes it, okay, and comes to the login menu. This is interesting. The password is, don't tell anybody, it's admin. Yes. Going to advanced settings. It's disconnected, the WAN port is disconnected, that we don't care about it. So let's go to DHCP server. We just disable it. Okay. It's already going to reboot. What? Why? Okay, I'm going to have an open wireless network. I'll have to set it up later. I'm going to plug in the internet. Wait, it could connect. Then I'll set up the internet too. I mean the Wi-Fi. Ah, it can be reached, okay. I was expecting that. Okay, so let's see the internet. Let's test the speed. I plug in the internet. And the computer recognizes it. It still says it has no connection, no access to the internet. Let's open some troubleshooting here. Ooh. Change connection properties. No. Change adapter options. Okay, I'm used to this. Yes, it didn't connect. So let's disable it. Enable. Nah, finally it connected to the internet. Perfect. So let's see. Speedtest.net. Wait, what? .net. I consent. I want to speed test. Go. today. That seems about right. 92 to 95, it's normal. Let me get a cell phone. To test the Wi-Fi. Where is my phone? That's interesting. I had it. Okay, so download 91 and upload 95. That's normal. So let's try an Android phone. I connect to this new router. It doesn't want to connect. Again, I don't know why. I switch it off maybe. Switch it on. Not that one. The Tenda. It doesn't want to connect. So I have to go here. It still doesn't want to connect. Why? It's an open Wi-Fi network. More settings. Hey, focus. Tenda. I don't know why it does that. I can only connect to new hotspots in this menu. In the settings menu I can't. Here. I don't know why. Okay, it's connected. Let's close everything and start speed test. If it will start. It should start. Hopefully. Yes. Go. Only 38? 40? The upload should be better. Oh yes. That's the maximum this phone can do. It's the problem with the phone. Let's try to redo the test. I put the antenna right next to the phone. Like that. Try test again. The phone can do more. Only 40. Yes. When I tested it with higher speeds, 75, I had another smartphone. This is much older. This can do more than like 50. It's good enough, I think. The other ones were around 20. So this router will be much better.